guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to cut your video files using VLC media player on your Windows PC. So this method I am trying in my Windows 11. So same process method will work on your other PC like Windows 8, Windows 10. So just you need to first launch your VLC media player, okay? Like this. After launching guys, you need to open the video file which you want to cut. Just click on media, click on open file and select the video file from here. So as you can see guys, I have selected this video file and I have opened it. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to select your starting point from where you want to cut that video, okay, like this, and then click on view tab, and here you can get the option advanced control. Just select this. Okay, now it will show you some advanced control button. From here you need to select a recording option. Okay, so just press the recording and play your video. Okay, now your video was playing. As you can see guys, you need to play your video at from the last point, end point, where you want to stop that video. Okay, so I am going to play. As you can see guys, our video was not playing. Now I want to cut this. Okay, so if you want to cut this, once again click on recording button. It will stop the recording process like this. Okay, now close this. Now the video file was saved onto a default video folder. Okay, open the file explorer like this, go to videos from the left panel. So as you can see guys, our video file was here. So with this help of method guys, you can easily able to cut the videos using the VLC media player. So this is the hidden feature of the VLC media player. So if you have not used it, so just go ahead and use it. This is very nice. Okay, so that's for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you.